Hello, good afternoon. I find this new cafe which is very interesting. It's actually, how do you call this? A watch repair and selling shops, and they sell many unique clock and watches. But at the same time, also they have a coffee place, and the coffee is super nice. They took the coffee roasted from one of famous brand in Bali called Cinnamon Coffee, and this cafe is at Bali Galeria. So it's good for you to come by. And new information for you that there is a nice coffee. Well, there are thousand nice coffee places in Bali. One of them is this one.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be. I found you today. It feels like it's been forever, laughing all